Morning traders, it's just gone 9 o'clock on the 22nd of April. I'm about to place my orders for the day. Just on a note from yesterday, if you have a look at what happened after we exited the trade, we exited about 7 o'clock. It went way further down, so we could have made a lot more profit, but that is not how our trading strategy works. We take 500 Rand profit and then we move on. So yeah, don't let FOMO play into your trading and make you make bad decisions. So as you can see, it's going up at the moment, so let's just get our orders in before we potentially miss a trigger. So $2 above, which is over there, so that's my buy order, and my sell order $2 below, 436.805, which would be 436.6. Somewhere around there. No, sorry, I placed the incorrect order. Sell order, and I'll take our stop loss, which to the bottom of the range from there is 460, so it's a slightly bigger range than yesterday, so 230. This one, same thing, 460, so 230. Got our stop losses in. Okay, so I'm gonna stop placing these orders right now because we've just been triggered into the long position. So I'm gonna remove this short order. So now we're in the long position already. Things are moving quite quickly this morning, it seems. In the long position, we've got our stop loss, and our take profit will be around about this level over here. So there you go. Things, like I said, things are moving quickly this morning. Our order's been triggered already, so let's see what happens as the day progresses. We'll keep you posted. Okay, so it's 9:42, and unfortunately, as you can see here, we got stopped out at our stop loss. As fast as it went up, it came straight back down again. If you look at the 5-minute chart, you can see that the candle that broke out was pretty much the high point, and then it just kind of came down from there. Kind of looks like it might be going back up at the moment, but we'll have to wait and see. So now we're basically back to the drawing board. So I'm going to place orders again. I'm going to place my order to go short below the range. And then because it broke out the top and made a new high, I'm going to place an order to go long above the high of the spike, so that if it does go up again, then we'll still have the opportunity to be in a trade. So the high of this candle was 439.905, so I'll place my order at 4401 area. So there's my buy order to go long. So let's just put our stop losses in. So the stop loss would be, once again, around about 240. And for this one, it's probably going to be a bit larger because we're going all the way to the other end of the range from a higher point. So it's 505, so let's say 250-ish. Not that much difference, 250. And then as always, your take profit at 500 Rand. On either end. Okay, so let's see what happens if any of these orders get triggered. We're working with a loss of 237.99 Rand. So it's important to keep your head in a day like today and not to revenge trade, trying to get back everything you lost and more. So yeah, just take it trade by trade and keep your wits about you. So I'll report back as soon as something else happens. Okay, it is 10 to 4. It's been a while since our stop loss got triggered on the 9 o'clock candle. As you can see, after that it just kind of went sideways most of the time within the range, and finally now with the movement after 3:30, the American market opening, it broke through the bottom of the range. So I'm going to remove my order to go long, and currently we're sitting in about 50 Rand loss. Let's just have a look at the 5-minute chart. Yeah, as you can see, this 335 candle went down, broke through the bottom, and continued down for the next candle, and now these last two candles have been upward moves. Hopefully it's just a small little bounce back and then we continue downwards, but we'll have to wait and see what happens. Back to the hour chart. Yeah, hopefully we'll make it all the way to our take profit and gain some of the losses that we made this morning. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, it's now 5:20 on Friday evening, the 22nd of April. As you can see, the trade's been going nicely in our favor. This previous candle, the 4 o'clock candle, almost hit our take profit, but unfortunately just missed it, and it's going slightly up at the moment. We're sitting at around 320 odd Rand profit. So what I'm going to do now, because the candle closed more than halfway towards our take profit, I'm going to place my stop loss at break even, just so that we are in a risk-free trade. We don't have to worry about going into a loss situation. So I'm really hoping that the movement continues downwards, and this is just a small retracement so that it hits our take profit at some point. If you look at the 5-minute chart, you can see it almost hit our take profit down here, just missed it by a few points, and then went up quite a bit. And currently 2 red candles followed by the current candle, which is still green, and I'm hoping that it will go down and hit our take profit. But we'll have to wait and see what happens. But luckily we've moved our stop loss to break even, so there's no more risk in this trade. So hopefully I'll report back in a few minutes having hit our take profit. Okay, so it's now 5:42. As you can see, our take profit order has just been triggered in this current candle. It took a while to get there, but we eventually got there. If you take a look at the 5-minute chart, we went down, then we went up, and then all this downward movement got us on this candle over here. So with this morning's loss of 237.99 Rand and the current gain that we just made of 527.65 Rand, we're standing on a total of 289.66 Rand for the day, which is obviously not our best day, but a good outcome considering we started the day with a losing trade this morning. So there you have it. It's now Friday afternoon, so it's the end of the trading week, and I think we had a pretty decent trading week. So hopefully next week will be just as profitable, if not more so. As always, if you want to start trading on the Velocity Trader, you can find the links below in the description, as well as links to our training courses and our subscription service, as well as our Telegram chat group where we share trading content and tips, etc. So I hope you all have a good weekend, and we'll see you next week with more videos of our live trading. Cheers.